Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply multiple invoice payments to one deposit in QuickBooks Online. This is essential when you receive several customer payments at once, but want them to show up as a single deposit in your bank account, keeping your records clean and reconciliation simple. First, head over to the plus new button located on the left side menu of your QuickBooks dashboard. This is your starting point for most transactions. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Receive Payment under the Customers section. This opens up the payment entry screen where you'll record incoming payments from your clients. Now, choose the customer name who made the payments from the drop-down menu. Once you select the customer, QuickBooks will automatically pull up all their outstanding invoices. Here's where the magic happens. You can select multiple invoices that are being paid by this customer. Simply check the boxes next to each invoice you want to include in this payment batch. Next, enter the payment amount received for each invoice. If a single payment covers multiple invoices, you can enter the combined amount and QuickBooks will distribute it accordingly. The crucial step here is setting the deposit to field to undeposited funds instead of directly to your bank account. This is what allows you to group multiple payments together later as one deposit. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close to record these invoice payments. Now that your payments are sitting in undeposited funds, it's time to create the actual bank deposit. Return to the plus new button, and this time select Bank Deposit under the Other section. Choose the bank account where you want these payments deposited. This should match the account where the money actually landed. You'll see a section labeled Select the payments included in this deposit. This is where all those payments you just recorded in undeposited funds will appear. Check the boxes next to all the invoice payments you want to bundle together as one single deposit. Before finalizing, verify that the total deposit amount matches what actually hit your bank account. This confirmation step prevents reconciliation headaches down the road. Finally, click Save and Close to complete the process. You've now successfully recorded multiple invoice payments as one consolidated deposit, which will match perfectly with your bank statement. This method keeps your books organized and makes bank reconciliation much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.